Hello and greetings. I am Lodrant, the owner of Scholar Realm. Seems like you are interested on Papermade Duel board game. Yes, we can guide you. First of all, let's learn how to set up. To set up, place the tiles among each other to form a field. The adjacent tile cannot be the same number with each other. For 2 Artisans game, form a 3 by 4 tiles of field. Where else for 3 to 4 Artisans game, form a 5 by 5 tiles of field. No portals and magical tile on the field for 2 Artisans game. For 3 to 4 Artisans game, magical tile place in the middle of the field. Now, let's shuffle the fragment card deck. Place the deck face down beside the field. The number of each type of the fragment card in the deck is depend on the number of Artisans of the game. For 2 Artisans game, there are 2 fragments of each type in the deck. But for 3 to 4 Artisans game, 3 fragments of each type in the deck. Then, shuffle all incident cards to form a deck. Place it beside the field face down. Next, shuffle the action card deck. Place it beside the field face down. For 3 to 4 Artisans game, all Artisans are sharing the same action card deck. Where else for 2 Artisans game, each Artisan has their own individual deck. We will show you the list of cards for each individual deck later. Place both portals diagonally 2 tiles away from the magical tile. Finally, place the Traveler card beside the field. The field setup is done. Let's set up the Artisan's bench. Each Artisan take turns to choose 2 Papermades and get their stat card. Place the health tokens on the maximum health value on each Papermade health panel, which is the number with a circle. Then, place the charge token on 0 of the charge panel. The charge token is sharing among your Papermates, and usually, the charge token will be placed on the active Papermade stat card. Finally, place the respective skill card beside your Papermade stat card. Next Artisan do the same, until all Artisans set up their bench. Now, we will show you the example of 4 Artisans game. Let's set up the Artisan's hand. Each Artisan take turns to draw 3 action cards from the common action card deck. And these hand cards are not revealed to other Artisans. Next, Papermade Placement. Start from the first Artisan. Each Artisan take turns to place their active Papermate on the field. To place the Papermate on the field, the Artisan has to roll a dice to get a number. Then, place the Papermate on a tile of the rolled number. First Artisan chooses Kitty as an active Papermate and roll a dice. The rolled number is 6. The Artisan choose one of the number 6 tile, and place the Kitty on it. The second Artisan do the same. The rolled number is 4, and place Bunny on one of the 4 tile. The third Artisan rolls a 3, and place Hootie on one of the 3 tile. The fourth Artisan rolls a 1, and place Puppy on one of the 1 tile. If all tiles of the rolled number was occupied by Papermate, re-roll the dice again until you're able to place your Papermate. Next, Fragment card placement. First Artisan rolls a 2, and place the yellow fragment on the 2 tile. Second Artisan rolls a 6, and place the green fragment on the 6 tile. Third Artisan rolls a 5, and place the red fragment on the 5 tile. Fourth artisan rolls a 3 and place the purple fragment on the 3 tile. The fragment card cannot be placed on Papermade's tile. The number of fragments on the field is the same as the number of artisans of the game. Next, incident card placement. First artisan rolls a 1 and place the incident card face down on 1 tile. Second artisan rolls a 4 and place the incident card face down on 4 tile. Third artisan rolls a 5 and place the incident card face down on 5 tile. Fourth artisan rolls a 2 and place the incident card face down on 2 tile. Incident card cannot be placed on Papermade's tile. The number of incidents on the field is the same as the number of artisans of the game. Let's look at the deck list for 2 artisans game. For 2 artisans game, each artisan has a deck of 15 action cards. This is the card list for first artisan's deck. And this is the card list for second artisan's deck. Let's recap what you have learned. First of all, place the tiles to form a field. Shuffle the fragment, incident, and action card deck. Place these deck and traveler beside the field. Next, each artisan chooses 2 Papermades. Place their stat cards and skill cards on their bench. Each artisan take turns to place their Papermade, followed by fragment and incident card on the field. Each tile cannot contains 2 or more of the same type of the component. If all tiles were occupied, re-roll the dice again. Well done! You have learned how to set up the game. But how to win the game? Let's talk about this on next episode. And we will also tell you about the background story about the winning condition. See you again. Cheers!